This Thai red curry soup is inspired by the Firefly Grill in Effingham, Illinois. It's a wonderful vegetarian soup made with coconut milk, a variety of mushrooms, and when you serve it up over rice and then finish it off with a little bit of fresh lime, it is comfort food at its finest. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and if you like comfort food with a gourmet spin on it, then you are definitely at the right place. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then we are gonna make a Thai red curry soup today that is gonna knock your socks off. Okay, so if you've cooked with me before, definitely you know the drill. Go ahead and get your mise en place together, get all your ingredients out. Believe me, it will save you a ton of frustration. I mean, there is nothing worse than going, oh my gosh, I don't have any red curry, and this is red curry soup. So save yourself the time and frustration and get everything out. Add 2 tablespoons butter to your soup pot. Let the butter melt over medium-high heat, then add your 2 pounds of chopped mushrooms. Cook the mushrooms down until they release their liquid and start to brown. This should take about 5 minutes. Then stir in 4 tablespoons of red curry paste. Two tablespoons curry powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and if you like a spicy curry, add 1 to 2 teaspoons red pepper flakes or a bird-eye chili. Cook this for 3 minutes to let all the flavors come together. Now add 3 tablespoons mirin and 1 tablespoon fish sauce. Give it a stir. Add 6 cans of full-fat, unsweetened coconut milk, and 1 quart chicken stock. Let this simmer for 30 minutes, and right before you're ready to serve it, stir in the zest of 2 limes. And that's it. It is literally ready to serve over a little rice just like this. And make sure you taste it. This needs a little bit more salt. Kind of let this, and honestly, it's great right now, but in another 2, 3, 4, even up to 5 days, it just keeps getting better and better and better. Let me do one more taste. There you go, really nice. Serve it over rice and garnish it with sliced red bell peppers, cilantro, green onions, and a generous squeeze of fresh lime. This is seriously one of my most absolute favorite soups, and I hope you enjoy it too. That is a great balance of lots of lime and coconut, and those earthy mushrooms just come right through. This is so good. Thanks for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. If you want to print this recipe out, head over to lakesidetable.com and then come on back for some more videos, and I will see you soon. Bye guys. So good.